northeastern Shelby County, northern Logan County, northwestern Union County, Ohio, Hardin County, Auglaize County, until 9 p.m. Severe thunderstorm
Put the light on.
The National Weather Service's Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Shelby County,
Got the light on for you folks.
northwestern Union County, Ohio,
You should see the
Hardin
light on my
County,
radio.
Auglaize County,
You
until
know,
9 p.m.
unbelievable what's
At
playing.
8:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Upper Sandusky to near Kenton to St. Mary's, moving east at 50 miles
Charge
an
my
hour.
phone.
Hazard,
Let me show you.
60 miles an hour wind gusts to
I switched to the TV station.
source, radar indicated.
I want to see if they're showing on the live,
Hail damage
the
to
live radar.
vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Wapakoneta, St. Mary's, Kenton, Ada, Cridersville, Jackson Center,
Okay, I was trying
Russell's
to.
Point, Watkins, Lakeview, New Knoxville, Dunter.
Let's try 921.
Park, Northwood,
Also,
Milton,
in
Blanchard,
like St.
and
Louis
Roundhead.
99. This is the ROU. Wow, fast.
Miles away.
Okay, I kind of heard the weather service in the background. The
That's just coming into the news from some people that are listening up in that area.
I appreciate that, thank you. And that would potentially, that we don't know if that's tornado damage or if it's just related to straight line winds, but that's kind of where things stand.
Yeah, I'm sticking with. I'm going back and forth. That's what I'm going to be doing.
Ada, Cridersville, Jackson Center, Russell's
But
Point,
yeah, please take this seriously. Even though we don't have the National Weather Service, yes, Wilmington, Ohio, radar. According to terminal operator, which is T-Day. Oh God, no, there weren't. It's just another tornado warning.
Minutes ago,
Well,
you're going to see a new flashing polygon come up on your screen here any second. There it is.
Yep.
So this will be for Darke County, the rest of Darke County. That's not currently under a tornado warning. Northern portions of Preble County,
I wanted a tornado
northern
warning.
Wayne County.
I didn't
This will go
know.
until 9.
Severe thunderstorms were
Let's see.
miles south
Which one it is? It's been a long video. It's a thunderstorm warning. Okay.
60 miles an hour wind
Whoa.
gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible.
Forgot that compressed
Expect wind
volume
damage to
going.
trees and
Stop
power
it,
lines.
weather work
Locations
problem.
impacted include Richmond,
So
Greenville,
it's western weather.
Arcanum, Bradford, Lewisburg, Hagerstown, Union City, New Paris. Extending from 6 miles southeast of Portland to 8 miles southwest of Winchester, moving east at 55 miles to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Greenville, Versailles, Arcanum, Bradford, Lewisburg, Hagerstown, Union City, New Paris, Ansonia,
Sorry,
New
I didn't too much
Madison,
on my
Fulton
videos.
City,
I'm trying
Franklin, Webster, Wayne Lakes, Gettysburg, El Dorado, Verona, West Manchester, and Greens Fork.
I did not want to copyright. I do not want to. If you listen to copyright music on here, you can't. You can't. Or you can't. Put it in your videos.
To show some
Too much Twitch.
Let's go get you.
Oops, got turned 120 off. Okay, video will be uploaded.